let's make grits. I'm eyeballing it because I'm Southern and that's what we do. Just about half a cup because it's just me and I don't want to go crazy. In some water. I'm doing about a 50-50 ratio of water to milk. You can add what you like though. I think adding dairy makes them more creamy, definitely gives them more body. And I'm just gonna season with some salt. Just a little bit of salt. Stir, stir, stir. And now I'm going to bring this to the stove, bring it up to a simmer just until the bubbles start to form. You do not want to mess with bubbling grits. Reduce that heat to low, put a lid on it, and let the grits do their thing. We're going to stir it intermittently. Hot. It's like a big warm hug. So comforting, so simple, and really delicious.